Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and let's find passwords and security. Now we have to find the privacy, so let's tap on it, and here we've got encryption and credentials. Let's tap, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you're ready, click on OK. If you've got a password, PIN or pattern, then simply enter it to confirm. Click on Next, and as you can see, the credential storage is erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.